Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video and you get notified. So I make videos about make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So if you are interested in this type of stuff, then this is the channel for you to subscribe and you will get new content each and every day on this channel. So today I'm going to show you a strategy with which you can earn a passive income in the year 2020. This is an absolute strategy. You just have to work one time and then after that you will receive money with this method for a very long period of time. So it is absolutely a passive income. You can just travel the world and keep earning this money. This is called passive income. So this is going to be a great video, so stick till the end so that you don't get stuck in between. I don't want you to get stuck in the middle because I will show you each and every step. So first of all, what you have to do is go to this website which is known as plrdownloads.com. So this is a website in which you can download ebooks as well as software as well as videos, all this stuff, and all this stuff has resale rights. That means you can resell this ebooks as well as this softwares. Everything whatever you get on this website is absolutely resellable, and it's absolutely legal that you can resell all this stuff available on this website. There is another website like this which is known as Resale Rights Weekly. On this website also you get this type of stuff. All you have to do is just fill out this form and sign up for this website, and you get access to all this type of PLR stuff, ebooks as well as many other things. There is one more website which I would like to show you, and that is idplr.com. Here you may get almost 6,315 plus ebooks as well as 117 videos, graphics, templates, article, each and everything, and even audios. You get all this stuff on this websites which you can use in your content. Okay, in your YouTube channel you can use this, and even if you download all this, if you download some of these products and just sell it, you can sell it everywhere because it has resale rights. Okay, so what we have to do is just download one of the ebook, whichever niche you want. See here all the niches are appearing. For example, affiliate marketing. If I click here, I will get this ebooks which are related to affiliate marketing. Now I can download one of this ebook and I can sell it for any price, whichever I want to sell it. Okay, on any platform, wherever I like. So first what you have to do is go to one of this website, whichever you would like out of these three websites, and download whatever stuff you want to download. You must download almost 10 to 20 ebooks from this website which you are gonna sell. Okay, now I will be telling you how you can sell this stuff. Okay, first of all you just have to go to this website which is known as payhip.com. On this website you can create a landing page for your book which you are gonna sell. So for this, for example, this is the landing page. You can see here, you just have to sign up over here, put in your email over here, and then just go for it. Okay, all you have to do is, all the steps are given. If you don't know how to create a landing page on payhip.com, you just go to YouTube and search for Payhip tutorials and you will find it. If I show you each and every step in this video, then this video is gonna be very long, and I know that you don't have time for all that stuff. Okay, so if you are gonna take action on this method, then I suggest you to just go to YouTube and type in the keyword, okay, how to create a Payhip landing page. Okay, once you create a Payhip landing page and you connect it with your PayPal account, whoever buys the book from this landing page of yours will receive you will get money of that. Okay, whatever fees Payhip takes will be taken, and you can just go and promote this Payhip landing page everywhere. To promote this Payhip landing page, you just have to choose a book and then type in forums. Okay, whatever niche, you can find all niche forums. For example, you are selling a health book, then you can just type forum health. Okay, you can just type health forums. Okay, So here are some of the health forums which you can join talk to people, and then you can just provide your link to your Payhip ebook and ask them. If they buy that, then you get all the money. You just have to register on this website and just create a page of your book, whatever you are selling, and if some, and just have to share the link. Okay, you just have to share the link on all this website, whatever forum website, as well as quora.com, which you can use, and share your links. And if someone goes to that link and buys this ebook, then you get a commission. Okay, so you can use this method, as well as you can use another method, which is Amazon. Okay, you can sell your ebooks on Amazon. You can use this Kindle publishing. Okay, you can publish this ebooks. You just have to edit its cover page as well as some of the content of the book, and then you can publish that book on this Amazon website, as well as you can sell it on Amazon also. You can also sell it on eBay as well as other websites which are on which you can sell many of the products. So this is very simple, very easy strategy. You just have to post 10, 20, 100 of, if you post 100 books and every book receives one sale every day, and it's cost almost $4, then you are gonna earn almost $400 per day with this websites, with this methods. Okay, so this is a great method which many people are utilizing to earn money online. You just have to download ebooks for free from these websites and just sell it wherever you want. If you want to sell it personally, you can use this payhip.com, or you can directly publish it to Amazon and sell it. Okay, but it requires a bit of editing if you want to sell it on Amazon. So everything is possible. You just have to take action, and this is absolutely passive income. Once you do only for one time, you just have to do little bit of work, and after that you will start receiving money just sitting at your home or traveling the world, and money will directly come into your PayPal account as well as your bank account. So that's gonna happen with you if you use this strategy. So if you like this video, like my content, like this strategy, then just press the like button as well as the subscribe button. I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed to this channel.